Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best under cabinet LED lighting that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the StickOn Anywhere Portable Little Light Wireless LED. It is a high-quality portable wireless light you can get in the market. It allows you to achieve the best operation in your everyday lighting. Rechargeable battery makes it easy to use in any location. There is no worry of wiring. You will power it using a battery and carry it to any location where you would like to light up. The super bright LEDs makes it preferable. You can use it in your home or office and it will serve perfectly. It is a high-quality lighting fixture you can count on for the best results. Built-in magnetic stick makes it easy to hang it on any ironwork. You are not restricted based on applications. It is a unit that comes in high-quality design to allow you operate it under different applications. The fixture comes in an attractive design for great interior. Moving on at number 4, we have the Brilliant Evolution LED Puck. The puck of 6 LED lights allows you to enjoy the best lighting fixtures. Remote control feature makes it work well in everyday Apple key items. It works well under counter and other areas. The battery-operated Dane make it work well for everyday use. The remote control makes it work well in everyday applications. Up to 55 lumens makes it work well in everyday applications. Wireless remote control make it very reliable in everyday life. Selectable dimmer assures you great performance. At number 3, we have the EShine 12-inch panel LED dimmable under. The panel LED dimmable light can be a great addition to your home. It incorporates several features that make it very reliable in everyday use. Touchless dimming control make it easy to use in your everyday applications. Hand wave activation makes it preferable. Easy to install design makes many people prefer it. It is a high-quality unit you can introduce to your home. Sturdy and elegant materials makes it work well in everyday applications. At number 2, we have the EShine 4 panels 12-inch LED dimmable lighting kit. The 12-inch LED makes it easy to realize the best under cabinet lighting experience. Dimmable design allows you to enjoy the best under bed applications. Touchless operation makes many people prefer it. The hand wave activation makes it easy to operate. Economic and eco-friendly design makes it preferable. Sturdy and elegant design makes the lighting fixture very reliable in everyday use. You can use it to achieve the best operation in your everyday life. Sturdy and elegant design make them stand out. And finally at number 1, we have the LED under cabinet lighting. It is an effective under cabinet lighting that assures users the best experience. Motion sensor and the easy to operate make it reliable in everyday use. Waterproof design makes them long-lasting. 4 modes of operation assures you great performance. Dual power makes it very efficient. Flexible application assures users great performance. Power-saving design allows you to conserve energy. You need to use batteries to allow it in any location. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.